Today I discuss about the benzene diazonium chloride of unit 13. The chapter is the nitrogen containing organic compound. The diazonium, the molecular structure of diazonium chloride is this, and diazo means nitrogen and di means two, so two nitrogen atom must present in the diazonium chloride, and this is the molecular structure. Here you can see the positive charge present at nitrogen atom, because nitrogen may form 3 bond, but here 4 bond present, so the lone pair of the nitrogen donate to form a bond, and nitrogen become positively charged and the remaining Cl ion possess negative charge. Now the preparation of the benzene diazonium chloride from we can prepare benzene diazonium chloride from aniline. When aniline treated with NaNO2 sodium nitrite and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees centigrade, it can prepare benzene diazonium chloride. But you can see here one HNO2 molecule present in first bracket. Why it is? Because the main reagent is nitrous acid, but we cannot add HNO2 directly, because nitrous acid is unstable. When we use NaNO2 and HCl in mixture, it produces HNO2 in situ. Now the preparation of the molecule of preparation of the compound from diazonium chloride, that is I represented the reaction in a diagrammatic form. Now diazonium chloride with CuCl and HCl, it produces chlorobenzene. It produces chlorobenzene. In presence of CuBr and HBr, it produces bromobenzene. These two reactions known as Sand-Meyer reaction. Sand-Meyer reaction. And when you use potassium iodide solution, it produces iodobenzene. When we use potassium cyanide and HCN, or potassium cyanide and copper dust, it produces cyanobenzene or benzene nitrile. When you use copper and NaNO2, it produces nitrobenzene. If I use H2O and heat, then it form water, phenol. And if I use hypophosphorus acid, H3PO2 is hypophosphorus acid, and ethanol heat, then it produce only benzene, because the N2Cl eliminate from the diazonium chloride. And if I use HbF4, that is fluoroboric acid, then it produce diazonium fluoroborate, the benzene diazonium fluoroborate, and upon heating it produce fluorobenzene. It produces fluorobenzene, and from the benzene diazonium fluoroborate to fluorobenzene, this reaction is known as Sheeman reaction. This reaction is known as Sheeman reaction. Now the substitution reaction of benzene diazonium chloride. Here we substitute diazonium chloride group with another aromatic group. Here I use nitrobenzene in presence of sodium hydroxide, and the N2Cl, that is N2Cl group replaced by the aromatic nitrobenzene, and the bond form through para position of the nitro group with the first benzene diazonium chloride, and this produces a para nitro biphenyl. What is biphenyl? When two benzene ring bonded with a single bond, then it known as biphenyl. And when you use two molecule of diazonium bisulfate, then diazonium bisulfate eliminate from two molecules, and two aromatic ring bonded together and produce a biphenyl. This is biphenyl. Now we must know what is the significance of the temperature 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. Here you can see in benzene diazonium chloride there is a N triple bond N group is present. So, and N triple bond N group means it is a nitrogen molecule, and nitrogen molecule is most stable gas. and so from benzene diazonium chloride it easily remove from the benzene ring. But when I use benzene diazonium chloride, it undergoes a resonance, and here I draw the resonating structure, and the plus charge of the nitrogen, you can see the plus charge resonate in benzene ring, and by this way a double bond between carbon and nitrogen form, and if as the double bond form, the bond become strong, and the nitrogen molecule does not eliminate out, so it is stable. But it is possible only at 0 to 5 degree centigrade. But if we do not maintain the 0 to 5 degree centigrade, then the single bond between in triple bond N group and benzene ring breaks and produce a phenyl cation and nitrogen gas and Cl minus ion, and it react with the H2O of solution and produce phenol, nitrogen and HCl. So when we does not maintain the temperature 0 to 5 degree centigrade, the benzene diazonium chloride become unstable. So we have to maintain the temperature at 0 to 5 degree centigrade. Now the reaction of benzene diazonium salt. If I reduce with a mild reducing agent, that is stannous chloride and HCl or sodium sulfide, the benzene diazonium chloride form phenyl hydrazine. This is hydrazine, NH2 is hydrazine, and if replace one hydrogen atom with the benzene ring, then it called a phenyl hydrazine. And when you use the strong reducing agent with that is zinc and HCl with benzene diazonium chloride, then it form aniline. These are the reaction is very important for benzene diazonium chloride. Thank you.